Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon shoe unboxing with you. If you already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. First, let's start off with the word of the day. The word of the day for today is grateful. Be grateful for every single thing that you have. There's always someone out there that may want exactly what you have. I'm not saying to not be ambitious and not set goals for yourself for you to reach, but in your moment, wherever you are right now, be grateful for everything that you have in that moment and be grateful for even just the process and everything that you've gone through from before up until now. Okay, so this is how the item came. So like I mentioned, this is from Amazon. However, this box says Chewbacca, and I kind of already started opening it because sometimes I find that when I want to unbox some of these pieces, trying to unbox it on camera is so difficult. I've broken pens, I've broken nails, like I've gone through so much. So I was like, let me just start off by cutting this open to make it a little easy. So this item is a Fenty item, as you can see right here. I love shoes. I love shoes. I love handbags. Let me stop playing games. I love every single thing. There's nothing I don't love when it comes to fashion and style, right? I love clothes. I love it all. I love it all. Let's be real. Let me stop trying to sugarcoat it. So, I've mentioned before that, I am purchasing a lot more of my items from Black owners. Like, I know this is from Amazon, but Rihanna, which she's the one who is all behind the Fenty, Rihanna is the one who designed these shoes. So I was like, you know what? I want to pick these up. Actually, I showed them to my husband and he picked them up for me. Let me just show you really quickly what this item is. This is the dust bag that it comes with. It's really, really nice. It's like this cute velvet dust bag. It's this nice black velvet Fenty dust bag. And there was something gold here that I really liked. Okay, so the Puma sign is gold. In case you pick this up, maybe yours doesn't come with this, I don't know. But just be mindful because I just happened to read the sign. It says, use with care. Colors from this accessory may bleed. So be careful with this dust bag, pretty much is what they're saying. I'll probably end up taking it out if I'm reading that because I don't need a dust bag to bleed on any of my items. So these are the shoes that I ended up picking up. Look at these. My obsession with platform anything is probably just so gross at this point. But yeah, look at these. I love the color. When I saw them, I was like, okay, this screams fall. This is just the fall shoe for me. So let me just show you guys the pair. See this? First of all, let's admire those colors again. That beautiful olive green or khaki, if that's a color you go by. That beautiful olive green with that yellow Puma sign. And I love how that platform is that nice brown nude color. As you can see right here, this is like a suede material. So with suede, you end up having those things. I just tend to rub it. And there's a brush just to kind of get that out a little. But look at the interior of those. You see that yellow plaid look right there? Love it. And it just says Fenty by Rihanna right in the inside of these shoes. This is how it came laced. I probably am gonna lace it differently. I'll probably lace it more like this. Let's just see. But I love these. I love these so much. They stand out. And like I said, they're platform. And I love me a platform shoe right now. I got these in a size, a size 8.5 in women's. They may be a little big. I just didn't want to go with an 8. I would much rather go up a little bit on a shoe size than I would go down. I fit in size 8 shoes, but I notice sometimes, like in the summer especially, my feet swell. So I just wanted to go up a size. If anything, I could just wear thicker socks, which is something I did plan on wearing anyways with these, like those thick socks that you kind of just scrunch down. I planned on wearing that anyways with these shoes, so I got them in an 8.5. And these, the best part about these was the price. So these were $39.99, I think, or $39.95. Either way, it was under $40 by a couple of cents, but it's still, you know, a marketing thing. It was under $40. You don't see the 4, you see the 3. So under $40, I think $39.95 or $39.99. So definitely a great price for these stunning, stunning, stunning shoes. Love these. Can't wait to wear them. If you want to see how I style them, check me out on Instagram at carla.simon19. Sometimes I don't tend to post a lot like on my actual feed, but you can definitely check out some of my pieces on my IG stories. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, please, please remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you in the next video.